Hello all, welcome back to DevOps YouTube channel. And today's video we are going to learn local stack. So what is local stack? If you want to explore AWS services before running it into your real accounts, if you want to explore it on your local, you can go ahead and use local stack. So deploy all your AWS applications locally and you can give it a try. All your services like S3, EC2, and different offerings from local stack, you can explore it in your local computer before proceeding towards the AWS cloud. So for this we have service called localstack.cloud. So they have the documentation how to install it in your Linux, Windows, Mac, Ubuntu. So how to install all these steps. So let's start working on these things in I'm just trying this in one of the Linux shell. So first thing, just we'll install local stack. Before that, we will just check whether local stack already exists or not. No. So simply install local stack. I'm just downloading local stack. Once you downloaded, extract this thing. All the steps is there from the official installation documentation of local stack. So you no need to worry. Even all these commands I'll update in the video description. Type local stack version, you're able to see the version of the local stack means it installed properly. Then start the services. So once we initiate local stack start command in daemon mode, so in turn, it will create one container, local stack container for us with all the AWS services. So Docker is the prerequisite and Python. So already Docker is installed and Python is there in my machine. So I'm proceeding to start this initiated this local stack command. So it will take a while to pull the Docker image and create the container. Once it is done, we'll start validating what are all the offerings from the local stack. Locally, we can validate, and then we'll see one S3 related creating bucket and uploading bucket to the our local created S3 bucket. I mean to say create one upload one object to the locally created S3 bucket. You see now it started creating container. So let type docker ps. So it's starting up 6 seconds in healthy state. So once after few seconds, just type this. Sometimes we'll get error. Don't worry, don't get panic. It will take time based on the container up and healthy. Then you are able to see the what are the services you have available with your locally provisioned local stack like ACM, config, DynamoDB, EC2, Kinesis, Lambda, S3, like different offerings you can explore locally. So right now all these services are available in the local stack where I deployed. So to work on this, we don't have graphical, right? Just like AWS, we don't have graphical. So we need to have AWS CLI installed. So we need to install AWS CLI followed by AWS CLI hyphen local. Both the packages we need to install. I'm going to install the next command, that is AWS CLI local. As we are working on local, AWS CLI hyphen local is required. Yeah, successfully installed. Next, just type AWS CLI hyphen local command. So just queue this command, create bucket, and we'll see AWS local. So perfect. We are able to create the bucket. Now let's try to list the buckets what we created just now. We created a sample bucket, right? So this was the bucket we created, and this is the timestamp. So next try to create some file, some image.jpg file and just define. So I have this file created. Next, I'll try to upload this object using AWS local command and the S3 API. Put object to sample bucket and the key is image.jpg and what is image.jpg. Perfect. Image uploaded. So that's how you can list and perform various operations on our local stack. And for more info, you can go through their official documentation. They have tutorials for various services like EC2, how to create EC2 instances, how to perform operations in S3 bucket like that. In user guide, we have local AWS services, so easy to how to create a key pair, how to add a security group, and how to update the group rules, easy to instance, how to create and how to describe. So all these things we can do these services locally using local stack. So that's all for this video and all these commands I'll update in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share and like our videos and support us. Thank you all.